Hi folks, this is Lee Wallace. Today we're talking about rape. Rape is a crime. Women's many actions work to minimise the probability of rape, yet it still occurs. Thousands of testimonials from elite single-sex schools revealed girls and boys aren't clear about what rape or consent is. Principals from these schools have been taken on a personal consent training journey to change this. Shockingly, there's a prevalence of rape occurring with drunk and unconscious girls. Alcohol also seems to be key in many of the testimonials of rape and sexualised assault. So what's it about? The behaviour of men in Parliament House and everywhere else. Men commit 97% of rapes and sexualised assaults. If you wrote a manifesto to describe how to achieve the current state of society with respect to rape and sexualised assault, it would appear nonsensical. Let me explain. For example, if you sought to achieve Australian gendered violence, which is the current state, society would need to value the following concepts and some more. Things like individual success, patriarchy, power, entitlement, privilege, silence, inequality, and innocent until proven guilty in courts. It's worth drilling down into these metrics to more fully absorb the thickness of the evidence. So Australia's gendered violence success, as horrific as that sounds, it's confirmed using the following metrics. For example, disrespect of women and girls, more than 6,000 testimonials from previous students of their experience of sexualised assault. Gender inequality, 35% of all women members of parliament and senators in federal parliament. Of Australia's 200 most successful companies, only 10 have been led by women. Ironically, female-led companies outperform male-led companies by about 20% in their share price. Gendered violence, 97% perpetrators are male. A series of discriminations. Pay rates. Women's receive 13.4% less pay for doing the same work as men. Caring roles. Women do more unpaid family caring, and that could be for children as well as parents. Superannuation, another discrimination. Women's gap in paid work creates smaller retirement balances, as well as the disproportionate amount of lost income due to caring roles. Discrimination. Those without lived experience or education find it harder to see, hear and believe or relate to what victim survivors say and do. The male-dominated sectors. It's hard to relate to victim survivors and it's easier for them to empathise with perpetrators because they have more in common. Silence. Gendered violence and the current system keep society stuck. Women are discouraged from speaking up because they're rarely believed or supported by the systems that are purported to help them. Mental health. When people do speak up, they pay a high price, and poor mental health can result. For example, Brittany Higgins' recent hospitalisation after the Prime Minister Scott Morrison tabled a report about her in Parliament without first letting her know it was going to happen. Boys will be boys, an excuse to minimise and an easy way to diminish actions from men to boys, implying a lack of understanding or education by the person. Power imbalances. These occur in hierarchies where there are gaps in age between those in charge and subordinates. Power is often wielded by the boss, and subordinates may feel that they need to do as they're told just to get ahead. Injustice. This could be as simple as not having a voice at work, home, or in the community, or the experience of unfairness or unjust treatment. Justice does not always need to be a legal remedy. It could be a satisfactory remedy that gives people whatever their required justice is.